people notice with this one?
Too long of a ramp without landings, slope, handrails are missing, no rest landing, no vehicle access ramp, slick surface.
People are saying too long and no landings are correct. It has handrails, but those are non-compliant handrails. You need circular handrails, not big square 2x4s, and they don't have extensions. For every 30 inches of rise of the ramp, you need a 5-foot level landing area. This whole ramp was like 70 feet long. It's going to be really hard to retrofit this to be compliant. If you can't make it fully compliant, then you're still required to do what you can. So in this case, adding accessible handrails would be an option. This one was at a restaurant. What are people noticing with the accessible route?
Long run, no handrails, slope excessive, no wheel protection, cross slope.
People are on top of things again. We've got a cross slope on this of like 6%. Up towards the top, the slope was 11%. Slope 5% or greater is considered a ramp. The 11% is too steep for a ramp. The max allowable is 8.3%. They had to redo the whole thing in order to make it accessible.